because we need to discuss deeply. Otherwise, actually, if we are working, we will not move. So, okay. For this, so you have a for make us task like in company, like if we are using this type of task, is okay. Okay, so right now you are using the collection base. That's great. So, you need to know which like if it's like you can see like traffic as you're already ready to one people let me just do but not exactly. Also you can see not check out my passes. Only this one passes. So also I think like people let me do understand? And also maybe I'm going to share with the
No, I can't hear you.
you can see okay. So right now
Yeah.
so you can see this is our last time. Yeah, last time you said okay. So please video if you see if you can video and also you and please record. So also I think we need to put up also landing this optimization. Understand? Because you can see people is not extra not check out not
Yes, I understand.
so I think also you should think about it and also you can also you can we need to check everything. Understand? We need to check everything. We need to analyze why actually
Yes, I understand. So what? So what? So what are you trying to say?
actually I'm trying to say like people is coming first of all like a specific product view but why he not move on after check out the passes. Understand? Like you can see yeah you can see this report you are traffic to Finland right and 1929 people is click link it this one is your main goal okay
So how do you do that from the traffic campaign to
yeah no it's actually traffic campaign is a passes campaign this is different so also you can see like I want to see my like a landing page view this one's our landing page view and my main goal is plus understand
people landing page, I can't see how much it's spending. You might have and the lead clicks are average 8 to 9 cents per lead click.
yeah so actually I want to say actually you can see my main goal is passes right my main goal is passes and if you provide 76 people is landing page view okay so then you can see the okay and one time people get
30% I mean, have 30% per click has a percent, you know?
yeah, the CTR is also good in the 5% plus 3% is normal. And also you can see 75 plus 75 people is landing page view, but only 11 people is yeah. This is the issue because
How do you check out this campaign?
only for maybe one. Extra one.
Okay, yes, I don't know. How much is the rent for this campaign?
Maybe you can see also I'm not using this. Maybe 2 or 3 this maybe. 2 or 3. Just maybe I'm using 8 to get it also like maybe 7 right 7 8 maybe 7. Okay, so actually this is the market and also right now I'm focusing today in Google is provide some good idea. You can see today results just only. Can you see only 100 show? So let's see, it's count 100. Yeah, at the moment you can see 3 items classes. You can select this one, then you can see the 3 items sales ratings. Understand? And also you can see
how can I say online store? So these have it every shop when you purchase something online, you can see those on Facebook.
you can see
Orders, how many orders? Okay, one order placed from. Okay.
sales is 129, okay? And then you can go to order section. Then order section, so you can see the how many like you can see 129 that is matching. That's great. When you can see you can see 1 3 items actually passes. You can see this thing. Understand?
I see.
Yes. And yeah. So this is the point. Yeah. So this is the point actually. And I'm already sending you actually payment link. It will be
Yeah, I'll get it right now. I'll go here.
Okay. You can share. You can have any issue. I'll help you with it. Actually, this investment for maybe $5 maybe. I don't know how much actually. Maybe $3 or $4. $4 and $5 maybe actually just. No, $5.
Okay.
You can share your screen, then I'll see also.
I like it. Very well. We have linked to it, so don't worry about that. You can do that.
No. Actually, if I truly say, I'm not worried for payment because I'm already sales. Actually, my main focus is right now growing the sales. If I bring the sales, again, we'll be payment. No issue because I'm already working maybe for 3 months, right? So
yeah, of course, we're going to use your card on screen on the card.
yeah, no issue. So this is actually why I'm using the Fiverr platform. You know better because I also need to grow my profile. That's why right now you say like it's a high fees actually high fee in Fiverr charge.
Yeah.
So right now, so and if I need like 1 or 2 hours like need on Fiverr, then I will see you like 100 or 300. This type of okay. Right now,
Yeah.
you can this no issue. And also I think it will be suitable for you because this one got not an extra like 20 or 10%, only maybe 5% charge only maybe.
Yeah, it'll be here. But
Okay, so no issue. When you ask me, then let me know because also usually is working for.
okay, sounds good.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.